In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Smartsheet license. Whether you're planning to manage personal projects or overseeing a large team, acquiring a Smartsheet license will enhance your workflow and productivity. There are a couple of straightforward paths you can take to obtain a license. Let's dive into these options, ensuring you get all the details you need. First, if you are looking to get a license for yourself and you're not an admin, you'll want to start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon, and from the menu that appears, select Plan and Billing Info. This section holds key details related to your current plan and the options available to you. Next, you'll want to look for the Upgrade Options button and give that a click. This will open up a variety of plans tailored to different needs. Depending on your requirements, you can select from plans such as Pro, Business, or Enterprise. Each plan comes with its own set of features and benefits, so take a moment to evaluate which one best fits your objectives. Once you've narrowed down your choice, proceed with the payment process, following the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase and activate your license. It's straightforward, and soon you'll be all set with your new Smartsheet capabilities. If getting a license independently isn't possible or preferred, there's a second route you might consider: requesting a license from your Smartsheet system administrator. Start by reaching out to your admin and express your need for a Smartsheet license. It's helpful to communicate why you need this access, perhaps detailing any specific projects or functions it will support. Your administrator will then need to head over to the admin center. From there, they should navigate to user management. Under this section, they can locate your name or profile. Once found, the admin clicks Edit next to your account. Here they'll see an option labeled Licensed User. By checking this box and saving the changes, you'll be granted a license, enabling you to utilize Smartsheet to its full potential. Both options make it simple to get started with Smartsheet, ensuring you have access to the tools necessary for efficient project management and collaboration. Whether you're upgrading on your own or working through an admin, the process is straightforward and designed to get you up and running quickly. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and feel confident moving forward with obtaining your Smartsheet license.